Hi, today we are starting with an experiment. I'm going to try to explain all my knowledge and experience on organization development in a series of very short videos. And the first video today is something I developed to be able to explain very complex stuff about what is happening in the world and what is the impact of what is happening in the world on personal development, management development, and organization development. And this canvas I called Switch 3D. So if people ask me, hey Jeff, what is happening with the world? What is the impact? I always use the same canvas. So let me explain this picture. This is the time. We are coming from a time frame from information shortage. What is information shortage? You can't learn at home. There is no information. So I'm 63, 62, and coming from a time frame where I couldn't learn at home. We had to go to school to learn. So information shortage. Today, there is no information shortage anymore. Today, we have information luxury. And this information luxury has developed because of information on the internet and digital. I was lucky to work in telecommunication in the 80s, and I've seen the impact of technology and digital on information, storage and distribution. So what we have accomplished is we have built a world where information can be accessible for everyone, even at home. So this is for me very important because everything what is happening today, we can relate to this thing. And what is happening now is information has an impact on the world. And this impact can you see it as an impact on innovation and change? So you have enormous powers going on today in the world of innovation and change. So in order to make it clear, I started to talk about 2D age. And 2D age is flat, two-dimensional. In this 2D age, you could make plans for 20, 30 years. And why were you able to see so far? Because there was no information. And no information, no change, no innovation, no disruption. But today, with this information explosion, we see a lot of new products and services. Every day there are new products and services coming to the market. So you can't see anymore 20 years from now. It's even very hard to see what is happening today. So today we are living in a very turbulent world. It's not flat anymore, it's 3D. We got the waves. So in all my presentations and all my books, I use the same canvas. We are moving from information shortage to information luxury, and this has an impact on change from flat to three-dimensional, and that's what I call Switch 3D. So this Switch 3D going from there to there is so disruptive that it changes everything. And in order to do that, I started to play with words. And maybe you can do this as a first exercise. And these are the words. We just put 2D and 3D in front of the world. So you could say information. Okay, but in 2D it's 2 information. And in 3D it's 3 information. What's the difference? The same thing with learning. In 2D it's 2D learning. How do you learn? How do you learn in 3D? It's the same thing with management, the same thing with innovation. So what we did is we created a canvas so words get another meaning. And by understanding the new meaning of the world, we are ready to understand what we have to do. But that's the next videos.